Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application. And first of all, if we want to edit a video, we need to create project. I'm going to click on this plus icon to create your project on CapCut. And then you're going to import the videos, audios, or images you want to edit. And I'm going to import my video. And wait guys, now I'm still looking for the video I want to import to the CapCut project. For example, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add this video to the track or the timeline to be edited. Okay, and you will be able to use the basic editing tools right here. And you will get the option to crop your video, split your video, and rotate your video, and it's up to you. If you want to split your video, you just need to click on the symbol and your video will be splitted. You'll be able to freeze your video and then reverse your video, or you can mirror your video and then rotate or crop your video. And here you'll be able to change the speed of your video. You can speed up your video or slow down your video, it's up to you. Then you'll be able to add audio as well to our CapCut project. If you have audio, you'll be able to edit it right here. You can apply fade in and fade out effect and also increase the volume. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the editing tools right here guys. You can change the speed and apply animation to your video. Make sure you have internet connection to download the animation. And I'm just going to pick random animation, for example this one. Okay, the animation has been applied to my video, and then we can go to the adjustment to adjust our video. We can adjust the brightness, the exposure, contrast, saturation, and it's up to you. You can use it according to your needs. And here I'm just going to change the saturation. I'm going to make it more orange. Okay, and then we'll be able to insert something on the section. You'll be able to add tags, stickers, effect, transition, or folders. And I'm going to apply effect. I'm just going to go to the effect, and here we will have two options, either video effect or body effect. And I'm going to go to the video effect, and I'm going to select butterflies effect. Okay, I'm going to add butterfly to my video. Oops, unfortunately the butterfly effect is not free, so I'm going to go to the nature and I'm going to apply luminance. Okay, you can drag the effect to your video, or you can simply click on this plus icon to apply effect to your video, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit a video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.